Hello everybody and welcome back to Yelan app. If you're currently having problems with Facebook video having no sound and you want to be able to fix it, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Because actually me myself I had the exact same issue before and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your Facebook app. And now you should be taken to this page right here. And the second step after that is going to be for you to click where it says menu. As you can see, for me it's in the bottom right corner, but for you it might be in the top right corner instead, just so you know. But just click on menu and then you should be taken to this page right here. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit until you can see where it says help and support. So click on help and support and now you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So what you're going to do now on this page is to just click on report a problem and then once again click on report a problem. And then you're going to click where it says include in here, as you can see, which is great. So now you should be taken here. And what you're going to do in here, as you can see, to just scroll down. And as you can see, almost all the way down below, it says video. I don't know why they actually wrote video two times. It makes no sense, but just choose any of those ones right here. It doesn't really matter. And then what you're going to do in here is to just write exactly like this, because in this section right here, you're able to contact the Facebook support that specialize in video basically. So you're going to write like this. I am having issues with videos not having sound. I need this to be fixed for my account. So this is exactly what you need to write to them. I am having issues with videos not having sound. I need this to be fixed for my account, and then click on send in the top right corner. And after this, what you also are going to do, you can also go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here, you're going to search for Facebook. So just search for Facebook in here. Click on the Facebook app, and as you can see I have this blue button in here where it says update, so just click on update, and sometimes this will actually appear for you like instantly almost, and sometimes you will need to wait 24 to 48 hours, just so you know. But basically click on the update button here because it will fix all the bugs that was in the previous version, and hopefully after you have submitted the feedback to them, they will actually be able to update that for you, and then hopefully this will now be fixed for you basically.